From the project tree and starter, double-click Drive Navigator. In the Drive Navigator screen, click the Speed Limit button. When the speed limit window opens, click the Minimum Limit button. The minimum limit window opens. Enter the minimum value desired in the minimum speed input box. And click the Close button. Note that no matter how low the input goes, the output is limited to the minimum value set. And when the input exceeds the minimum set, the output will increase with the input, until the input drops once again below the minimum.